Ayon sa Department of Migrant Workers, ito ay kahit na mayroon ng iulat ang pagpapatupad ng ceasefire sa pagitan ng Israel at Hamas nitong nakaraan lamang. Ayon sa Secretary ng Department of Migrant Workers na si Atty. Hans Leo Cagda, kasalukuyang naka-alert level 4 ang Gaza, kaya ang mga OFW ay hindi muna pahihintulutang makapunta o makabalik roon. Dagdag pa niya, ang pagkakaroon ng tigil na putukan ay makakabuti hindi lamang sa mundo, kundi pati na rin para sa mga overseas Filipino workers ng bansa. Sa ngayon, alert level 4 nakapataw sa Gaza. Sa hindi pwedeng pumunta sa Gaza o OFW, ani Atty. Hans Leo Cagda, Secretary ng Department of Migrant Workers. Hindi naman sa usapin kung mayroon pang natirang Pilipino nagtatrabaho o nag-iwan. Tiniyak ng naturang kalihim na matagal nang na-repatriate ang mga kababayan ni Edith Petroon. Samantala, sinabi ni Secretary Hans Leo Cagda na patuloy ang kanilang magmomonitor sa mga kaganapan sapagkat wala pa rin umanong kasiguraduhan ang sitwasyon doon. Kaugnay pa rito, ibinahagi naman ng naturang kalihim na mas mababa ang alert level sa Israel kumpara sa Gaza. Nasa level ng B2 lamang kasi doon, kaya ang mga ipanahayag niya ay maaari na makabalik ang mga Pilipinong manggagawa sa Israel. Ngunit nilinaw na Secretary Cagda ng Department of Migrant Workers na ang papayagan lamang pumunta ay ang mga dati nang nakapagtrabaho roon. Ibig sabihin nito ay bawal na ang mga newly hired na overseas Filipino workers. Yun lamang po. The Department of Migrant Workers, or DMW, has yet to allow overseas Filipino workers, or OFW, to return to work in Gaza, despite the recent ceasefire agreement between Israel and Hamas. According to the Department of Migrant Workers, Secretary Atty. Hans Leo Cagda, Gaza remains under alert level 4, prohibiting OFWs from traveling or returning to the region. He added that the ceasefire is beneficial not yet to the world, but also to the countries of OSW. Right now, Gaza is under alert level 4, so OFWs can't go to Gaza. Right now, Gaza is under alert level 4, so OFW cannot go to Gaza, said Atty. Hans Leo Cagda, Secretary of the Department of Migrant Workers. Regarding the possibility of Filipinos still working or remaining in Gaza, the Secretary assured that all Filipinos who were stranded there has long been repatriated. Meanwhile, Secretary Hans Leo Cagda also said that they are continuously monitoring the situation as there is still no certainty about the situation in Gaza. In this regard, Secretary shared that the alert level in Israel is lower compared to Gaza. Israel is currently under level 2, allowing Filipino workers to return. However, Secretary Cagda of the Department of Migrant Workers clarified that only those who have previously worked in Israel will be allowed to return. This means that newly hired overseas Filipino workers are prohibited from going to Israel.
Netflix announced today that it will donate $10 million to provide immediate relief to families and businesses for wildfire relief. The money will be split between multiple funds, a foundation, and a non-profit organization, including the Los Angeles Fire Department Foundation, the Motion Pictures and Television Fund, and also the World Central Kitchen. Beyond this financial contribution, we are directly assisting all of our employees at this incredibly difficult time, including assistance with temporary housing needs for those who lost their homes. It's from Netflix co-CEO Ted Sarandos said in a session. Magandang araw! Aling maghari po ang iyong tagapaglingkod balita. Isinaad ng Netflix ngayon na magbibigay sila ng 10 milyong dolyar upang magbigay ng agarang tulong sa mga pamilya at negosyo na naapektuhan ng malawak na sunog sa Los Angeles. Ang pera ay ipapamahagi sa iba't ibang pondo, pundasyon at non-profit organization. Kabilang narito ang Los Angeles Fire Department Foundation, Motion Picture and Television Fund, at World Central Kitchen. Saad pa ng Netflix, bukod sa kontribusyong pinansyal na ito, direktang tinutulungan namin ang lahat ng aming mga empleyado na naapektuhan sa napakahirap na panahon ito. Kabilang ang tulong sa pansamantalang tirahan para sa mga nawalan ng kanilang mga tahanan. Sabi ito ni Ted Sarandos, ang co-CEO ng Netflix, sa isang pahayagan. Yun lamang po.
Pag-asa sa bawat pagsubok na darating sa buhay. Pag-asa'y huwag hayaan sa iyo ay mawalay. Sa puso't isipan mo'y laging kintal, may Ama sa langit na sa ating nagmamahal. Hindi kita iiwan, hindi pababayaan man. Yan ang mga pangako'y sa ating binitawan. Gaano man kahirap ang pinagdaraanan, tiyak na sa tulong niya'y ito'y malalampasan. Kaya't halina, aking kaibigan, tiwala sa Diyos ay iyong ilaan. Sa Kanya ilagak ang inyong kabalisahan upang kapayapaan ay iyong maranasan.
Hope. In every trial that comes your way, let hope never leave you, never stay. In your heart and mind, always engaged, there's a Father in heaven who loves and will save. He will never leave you nor forsake. These are the promises He made for our sake. No matter how difficult the path became, with His help, you'll surely overcome ahead. So come, my friend, let your trust be in God. To Him, your anxieties, let them be thrown. In His hands, lay your burdens down, and peace you will surely find all around.